I bet you didn't know this, but the Chicago Build Expo is the biggest Midwest festival of construction. Let's go inside and find out why. What's your first impression?
It's big, it's really well organized, a lot of energy.
This event is amazing. It's a great place for you to learn everything you learn about the building industry. I will definitely be back.
So it's really good to be here and hear what's going on with the architects, the engineers. So exciting to be here.
It's interesting to see all the vendors here and good panels.
The panelists who are the best in the country or even the world at what they do.
The level of interest and the sophistication of the audience, they ask good questions.
The turnout's been very good. A lot of people reconnecting or making new connections. The show itself has been busy.
It's been really profitable for us.
We've had a lot of good traffic.
Allows me to talk to a lot of different people from different backgrounds.
Chicago is one of the best places in the world to live, but it's an even better place to build.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
It gets bigger every year. Absolutely fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How's the event going for you so far?
We had several people that purchased our panel. Fantastic show, guys. Excellent job. Thank you.
How's it going today?
The turnout has been incredible. Foot traffic today, yesterday has exceeded our expectations.
Chicago Build is helping us connect with folks on the ground, bringing connections and support.
Chicago Build is a good way to meet people.
We had good traffic yesterday and today.
Chicago Build is a great way for the building community in Chicago to meet the rest of the community. Honestly, it was really fun.
I had more leads yesterday than I had almost in the entire show last year in one day.
Chicago Build, when I walked in the door, the first thing I said was, what a great way for all of us to be able to come together. And this is such a fun event. This one is so interactive. This is one-of-a-kind event.
Where else can you go to get a skyline like this and have your own beach in your backyard?
Chicago is one of the greatest architecture cities in the world.
Can't wait until next year.
What makes Chicago tick? Chicago Build.
The Chicago Build was so much fun, and I now understand why it's called a festival. I'm really looking forward to next year, and I hope you are too. Take care.